do choose station that.
Huh? No, I just visit stuff. Have you ever wondered about the beauty and history of Emancipation Park in Jamaica? Today we journey to this remarkable site, a symbol of Jamaica's triumphant stride towards freedom. Nestled in the heart of Kingston, the vibrant capital city, Emancipation Park stands proudly as a testament to the country's rich history. The park opened its gates in 2002 and has since evolved into a popular retreat for both locals and visitors. It's a place where the past and present harmoniously intertwine, offering a refreshing escape from the bustling city life and a moment to reflect on the country's journey to emancipation. Imagine a place where history is not just remembered, but lived and breathed. A place that tells the tale of resilience, courage, and freedom. That, dear listeners, is the essence of Emancipation Park. And now that we have set the stage, let's delve deeper into the historical significance of Emancipation Park. Emancipation Park is more than just a park. It's a testament to Jamaica's history. The park's most striking feature is the Redemption Song Monument, an 11-foot statue that stands majestically at the entrance. It's a sight to behold, but more than that, it's a symbol of freedom. The monument is named after the song by Bob Marley, Jamaica's iconic reggae artist, and it serves as a constant reminder of the country's struggle for liberty. These towering figures, stripped off their chains, gaze up towards the sky, embodying the spirit of redemption and emancipation. But why emancipation, you might ask? The story dates back to the 19th century, to the year 1838 to be precise. This was the year when the chains of slavery were finally broken in Jamaica. The British Empire, which ruled Jamaica at the time, passed the Slavery Abolition Act, making the end of an era of oppression and the dawn of a new one of freedom. It was a significant turning point in Jamaica's history, a milestone that reshaped the country's social, economic, and political landscape. The name Emancipation Park was chosen to commemorate this pivotal moment, serving as a tribute to the resilience and fortitude of those who endured the hardships of slavery. The park, spanning a generous 7 acres, is a living testament to this journey. From bondage to freedom, every tree, every path, every stone in this park whispers tales of a past that has shaped the present. It's a place where history breathes, where the echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the rhythms of the present. So as you can see, Emancipation Park isn't just a place to relax and enjoy the scenery. It's a symbol of Jamaica's historical journey. It's a place where the past meets the present, where stories of resilience and freedom resonate, and where every visitor gets to walk a path that's steeped in history. Emancipation Park is not only a historical site, but also a contemporary oasis. Today, the park boasts a myriad of features that cater to a wide spectrum of interests. Fitness enthusiasts can enjoy a good run on a jogging trail, while nature lovers can bask in the sight of the beautifully landscaped gardens, adorned with a variety of local and exotic flora. The park's fountains add an element of tranquility, offering a serene backdrop for those seeking a quiet retreat. Emancipation Park also hosts a variety of cultural events, serving as a vibrant venue for concerts, art exhibitions, and much more. It's a space where creativity meets community, fostering a rich cultural exchange that's as refreshing as the park's lush surroundings. So whether you're a local seeking a leisurely afternoon or a tourist exploring Kingston's gems, the park offers a unique blend of relaxation and recreation. Emancipation Park truly is a gem in Kingston, offering a blend of history, culture, and recreation. Have you ever seen these symbols all over the park? They are Adinkra symbols. Adinkra symbols are a set of visual symbols used by the Akan people of Ghana to convey deep philosophical, spiritual, and cultural meanings. Each symbol represents concepts such as wisdom, strength, unity, and freedom, often reflecting values, beliefs, and proverbs of the Ghanaian community. These symbols are commonly found on textiles, pottery, and artwork, and they are used in ceremonies, personal adornment, and daily life. The Adinkra symbols can be seen at many places in the park as a tribute to honor the ancestors of Jamaica who were bought as slaves from West Africa. The architect Kwame Kobe has used these symbols in the perimeter fence, the walls at the entrance, the benches, and garbage receptacles. The Adinkra symbols were originally designed by the Ashanti craftsmen of Ghana, West Africa. They embody non-verbal, communicative, and aesthetic values, as well as the way of life of the people who designed them. The symbols incorporate images of humans, animals, plants, and objects. Adinkra symbols include many different aspects of life, including leadership, wisdom, strength, and unity. There are over 100 Adinkra symbols, each with its own specific meaning, and they are categorized into different themes such as philosophy, animal symbols, human behavior, plant life, and natural elements. These symbols are our power symbols, our obia symbols, our symbols of life. By integrating these symbols into the park, Jamaica honors its African heritage and the shared history of the African diaspora, particularly the importance of emancipation from slavery and the fight for freedom. So what can we take away from our exploration of Emancipation Park? Well, we have journeyed through time, unraveling the historical threads that are intricately woven into the fabric of this Jamaican gem. We have discovered the profound significance of Emancipation Park, a site that serves as a powerful testament to the resilience and freedom of the Jamaican people. We have marveled at the awe-inspiring Redemption Song Monument, a symbol that eloquently captures the essence of emancipation. This beacon of hope and freedom stands tall, echoing the voices of those who once struggled for liberation. Today, Emancipation Park continues to be a vibrant, pulsating heartbeat in the midst of Kingston, serving as a recreational and cultural venue for locals and tourists alike. It's more than just a park. It's a living testament to the past, a celebration of the present, and a promise for the future. Whether you're a history buff, a cultural enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Emancipation Park in Jamaica has something to offer everyone. So next time you're in Kingston, why not pay a visit to this historical and cultural landmark? We thank you.